Tesla Powerwall installations surpassed 500,000 globally. Tesla revealed today that its global, cumulative number of Powerwall home energy storage system installations surpassed 500,000. That's a huge number, the highest in the industry, as far as we know, and quickly increases, with hundreds of new units basically every day. The previous milestone of 250,000 units was reported on November 17, 2021. Which means that the company installed another 250,000 in just 1.5 years. The 18-month average output must be significantly above 150,000 units annually. Some reports even indicate that the current output might be 2 times higher than that. Tesla Powerwall Home Energy Storage System. Tesla Powerwall Home Energy Storage System. The current version of the Tesla Powerwall is rated at around 13.5 kWh kWh of usable battery capacity, 14 kWh total, and has a continuous power output of up to 5 kW kW, up to 7 kW for a 10-second peak. There is also the Tesla Powerwall unit, which is an integrated solar battery system with 2 separate inverters. One for the battery and one for solar. It has around 13.5 kWh kWh of nominal energy and has a continuous power output of up to 7 kW kW on its own off-grid, or up to 9.6 kW off-grid, full sun when combined with a solar system. The combined capacity of 500,000 Powerwalls would be some 6.8 gigawatt-hours. Actually noticeably less, as initially there were versions with a different battery capacity of like 7 kilowatt-hours or 10 kilowatt-hours. The cost of Tesla Powerwalls depends on the type, the market, and the number of units. Customers also have to consider the installation costs. For an example installation in the US, we saw that one unit might cost $8,700. The price per unit decreases with a higher number of units. 3 units might cost less than $24,000. Tesla notes also that there are incentives available and there is now a $500 rebate available. Just surpassed 500K Powerwall installs globally. Install before 10/31 and get a $500 rebate per Powerwall in the U.S. eligible U.S. territories. Source: reposted and summarized from Mark Kane at Inside EVS.